Welcome to my channel Learn Skill Earn Money. In this video you learn how to make money from YouTube. 13 ways to make money on YouTube, ads, subscriptions, and more. Do you want to make money from YouTube videos? While earning thousands of dollars off the bat probably isn't realistic for most people, you can start getting paid quickly, especially if you have a strong subscriber base. Once you've created your channel and built your audience, you can monetize your videos in your YouTube Studio dashboard. Additionally, you can use Google AdSense to provide additional income from your videos. Create a YouTube channel. Sign in or sign up. Go to YouTube and sign in with your Google account. If you don't have one, sign up for a Google account. Go to YouTube Studio. Click on your profile picture, and then click on YouTube Studio. This is where you manage your channel. Create your channel. Inside YouTube Studio, click on Create Channel. You can use your name or create a brand name for your channel. This is your channel's name. Customize your channel. Add a profile picture and cover photo. Upload a picture of yourself or a logo as a profile picture. Add a cover photo that represents your channel. About section. In the Customization tab, add a short description of your channel. This tells viewers what your channel is about. Create and upload videos. Record or edit videos. Make videos on topics you're passionate about. You can use your phone or a camera to record, and you can edit with free software like iMovie or Windows Movie Maker. Upload videos. Click the Create button, then Upload Videos to add your video files. Add titles, descriptions, and tags to help people find your videos. Monetize your channel. Reach YouTube's requirements. To make money, your channel needs at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time in the past year. Apply for AdSense. Once you meet these requirements, you can apply for Google AdSense. This is how you make money from ads on your videos. Earn money. Ads on your videos. After being approved for AdSense, ads will show on your videos. You earn money based on the number of views and ad clicks. Other ways to earn. You can also make money through channel memberships, super chat during live streams, sponsored content, affiliate marketing, merchandise, and fan support. Grow your channel. Keep creating. The more videos you make and the more subscribers you get, the more money you can earn. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, create a community, and make content that your viewers enjoy. Remember, it takes time to build a successful channel and start earning money. Be patient, stay consistent, and keep improving your content to grow your YouTube presence. Thanks for watching our videos and subscribe our channel for more videos.